Did you know one muddy field changed the course of history? In 1415, King Henry V stood with 6,000 exhausted English soldiers. They faced 25,000 French knights. The French were so confident, they argued over who would capture Henry for ransom. But Henry was smarter than they thought. He chose his battlefield perfectly, a narrow, muddy field between two forests. The French heavy cavalry charged straight into his trap. English archers unleashed 12 arrows per minute. A deadly storm of steel rained down on the French. Knights fell into the thick mud. Their heavy armor became death traps. Many drowned in the mire, unable to stand. The narrow field meant the French couldn't use their numbers. They were funneled into a killing zone. When the battle ended, over 7,000 French lay dead. The English lost only 29 men. Henry proved something that day. Brains beat brawn. Sometimes the underdog wins by fighting smarter, not harder.